Hi friends, this is Suprina again. So today I'm here with a new facial tip. While you're home, how you can utilize your time at home, how you can get your facial massages at home. So in my previous video I showed you how to use a jade roller or a rose quartz roller. So today I'm going to show you how to use a gua sha. I ordered this set, so you can see this set has a roller, and also the stone that you see, we call it Gua Sha stone. It is like a rose quartz. It's really good stone. I've been using it for past 1 week and I've been seeing a lot of good results with that. So as you can see that my skin started to show aging signs. So you need to prep your skin first. So cleanse your skin, tone your skin before you start to use a gua sha on your face. So I'm just gonna first off, we're gonna talk about the benefits of gua sha massage. So this massage, again, it improves the blood circulation in your face, and it also helps your muscle toned, and then it gives you a acupressure, so it helps you with sinus and cold and all other stuff. It gives you it helps you with headaches as well. So if you see that your skin is getting saggy or you start to see fine lines, this is a stone for you. Like regular massage with this stone is going to give you a really good result. There are other stones available in the market. Does not matter what stone you're going to be using, but if you use it on a regular basis, you will see a result for sure. So again, without talking too much, I'm going to show you how to use gua sha on your face. So again, you cleanse your skin, you tone your skin, and you can use any facial oil, or you can use your serum, whatever serums you are using at home. So today I'm going to be using collagen from Fairies. This is a serum or a collagen filler that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to take few drops and I'm just going to put it right on my face, right here, right here. So, and I'm going to use it on my neck as well. I take it a little bit on my hand and I'm going to massage it upwards. I'm going to massage it upwards. Make sure your gua sha is cleaned and it's sanitized. So you can wash it with soapy water, and you can clean it with alcohol, 70% alcohol, before you use it on your face. So how we're going to be using this, you see it has three sides. So there's one curved side, there's one smooth side, and there's like a C side. So on my neck, I'm going to use my curved side. You can use it at the back of your nape too, but I'm going to use it right here. So on one section you can use it 10 times. So you keep on going right here, and you will see that your skin is turning a little bit pink, as you can see mine. Do not put too much pressure, but enough that your skin can feel it. And this is always, try to use it like as flat as possible. So you want to make sure that gua sha stone is touching your skin properly. It should not be at 90-degree angle. It should always be 45-degree angle, and it should always be flat against your skin. So here on my jawline, I'm going to be using like this, and I'll just go here and I just put some pressure on my pressure points so the blood circulation can happen. So you go here, put some pressure on your pressure points, use it as flat as possible, and put pressure here. Use it flat. So I'm going to use the same way on the other side. You go flat as possible, and put a pressure here. So one section you can go 8 to 10 times depending how you feel. And I'm gonna take this flat side and I'm gonna go on my cheekbones. So I'm gonna go as flat as possible. So you see, I'm gonna give you a closer look. So you can see my skin is turning pink. This is what you wanna see. And if you feel that your throat is heavy, this is actually a good sign. It is a sign of lymphatic drainage. Like, you know, if you have a water retention, if your face is swollen. So go slowly and go like 10 to 15 times on your cheek. On this side as well. Go as flat as you can and go slowly. You do not need to rush it. Or I can go like this as well. So I'm using it flat. You can see. You can use the flatter side around your eyes. You see I have a lot of dark circles. It is just my genetic, like, you know, there is no problem with my body, but it's just genetic. I'm born with this, like, you know, since I know myself, like maybe 16, 17, I had a dark circles and I still have them. Although it's getting better, but it's just some genes that I have. Here you're gonna go flat around your eyes, right here. Just make sure, because the skin is very sensitive and the skin is very gentle, so we have to make sure that we are gentle on our skin. See your eyebrows, you can do your curved side right here. Go slowly, 5 times. 5 times on this side, here. I can go on my nose. I can use a flat side and I can take it on my forehead. So give your skin maybe 10 minutes of your day and you will see that it starts to improve. So see, with this lockdown we cannot go get our facial done, but if you have these small little tools at home, you can use it at home and you can have like a refreshing skin, or you can rejuvenate your skin at home. So I hope these tips are going to help you stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on working on your skin. Take care.